Lesson 1. Information Systems and Organizational Data. Welcome to the fundamentals of information technology. In an organizational context, an information system combines people, processes, data, and technology to collect, process, store, and distribute information. This supports decision-making and control. Organizations use both internal information, like sales and payroll records produced inside the company, and external information, which comes from outside sources like markets or competitors. To handle this data, organizations rely on specific systems. A management information system, or MIS, supports managers by providing timely, summarized information to plan and control operations. Meanwhile, a decision support system helps decision-makers analyze data and evaluate alternatives for semi-structured problems. For deep analysis, organizations use data warehousing, which is a subject-oriented, integrated store of historical data. Modern systems also require efficient data capture. We use RFID and near-field communication, or NFC, for short-range wireless communication, often found in contactless payments. QR codes are also popular because they store more data than traditional barcodes and can be scanned from any orientation by a camera. Another growing area is the Internet of Things, or IoT, which involves physical devices managed over the Internet, like a light bulb or AC unit controlled by a smartphone app. With all this technology, mitigating risks like negligence is crucial. Negligence can lead to data loss from poor backups or natural disasters. The best way to protect against natural disasters is maintaining off-site or cloud backups alongside a tested recovery plan. Finally, modern organizations need ICT-related training so staff can use these systems safely and correctly. Technical staff typically need deeper configuration and troubleshooting skills, while administrative staff focus on practical application skills. Training can be instructor-led with real-time guidance or unsupervised computer-based training that is entirely self-paced.